The dead girl's mother was sobbing. Her father, brothers, and sisters were silent with vacant, staring eyes as I quickly walked over to the bereaved family. Does bereaved mean confused, suffering from death of a loved one, delivered to the hands of the enemy, or quiet? This sentence uses clues of information. Even if we don't know what bereaved means, the sentence describes the bereaved family, specifically a mother sobbing, fathers, brothers, and sisters with vacant, staring eyes. From here we can understand that bereaved must mean saddened from the loss of someone close to you. Let's take a look at our choices and pick which one best matches our definition. Confused doesn't match our definition and can be crossed off. Suffering from death of a loved one sounds to be just what we're looking for, but we're going to go on just in case. Delivered to the hands of the enemy, again, does not match our definition, and neither does quiet. Therefore, we can say that B, suffering from death of a loved one, is our final answer.